The PioneerWorks Drain Cleaner Machine 100-foot model offers a long reach and strong motor power that make it well suited for serious drain clearing in both homes and light commercial settings. Its automatic cable feed with foot pedal control keeps your hands free and lets you advance or retract the cable smoothly, which really speeds up clearing stubborn clogs. The heavy-duty wheels and comfortable handle make this machine surprisingly easy to roll over rough ground or upstairs between jobs. A tough 100-foot 3/8-inch cable with an anti-twist core resists kinking and corrosion, so it can navigate multiple tight turns inside drain lines without binding. The included set of 6 interchangeable cutting heads and protective gloves gives you the flexibility to tackle everything from soft buildup to more solid obstructions in different pipe sizes. Built-in electrical protection and a design aimed at both residential and professional users make this drain cleaner a durable, confidence-inspiring choice for frequent use.